Luke, as you said, it's a new world of computing, and it requires a different approach to the compute architecture. Neural networks, as an example, have really different performance characteristics compared to the architectures that we have built in the past to handle our general enterprise compute. So at Pure Storage, we've worked with our partners NVIDIA and Cisco and Arista and Mellanox to create an architecture specifically designed to support the massive parallelism, concurrency, and throughput requirements for processing, or for training artificial intelligence algorithms and for working with these enormous sets of data, because as we've frequently discovered and hear from customers, it's actually the amount of data that is crucial for the development and training of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. So you have these massive data requirements that require incredible throughput, because a DGX1 or a DGX2, as an example, has nearly 100,000 cores of compute, but you absolutely have to keep all of those cores fully saturated with data, and in order to, number one, have a meaningful outcome, and number two, get the value out of the infrastructure that we put into it. So you have these massive throughput requirements, and that really requires a different approach to how do you build systems to support this. It's sort of the, in a very similar analogy, you have to actually put the right kind of tires on your race car in order to get its maximum performance out. Well, the data service platforms and these architectures are really the foundation of the architecture.
Sure.
And we have built a pretty elegant solution for delivering the kind of performance necessary to handle those problems of volume and velocity that are acutely apparent in AI and machine learning architectures.